Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we're going to talk about the Mastercraft Maximum 30-piece gear wrench set. Alright, so let's talk about the wrenches here. They've got a 15-degree offset box head. They have a 12-point box end. They're made of alloy steel, and they've got a polished chrome finish. The set that I have is 30-piece set. So they've got 15 imperial from 1/4 to 1 1/8 inch, and then there's 15 metric from 6 millimeters up to 22 millimeters. All right. The reason that you have these is convenience, and sometimes, like when you're working on a car and you've got your wrench in there, obviously you're not going to have 1 1/8 inch wrench, but let's say you've got your 10 millimeter and you're working on something in your car and you've got this tiny little space to work. So it's important that the ratcheting end ratchets in small increments, and this one that says it's got a 5-degree turn radius. Like it's not very much before it clicks. Like that's how much it has to move before it clicks. Pretty neat, eh? So this is a pretty large set, which is nice. Get the largest set that you can. These ones have a lifetime guarantee, and right now they're on sale. So at Canadian Tire, we've got the Red Thursday Black Friday sale. Don't worry if you miss these sales, because these wrenches go on sale throughout the year. Now, the best value you can get on something from Canadian Tire is about 70% off, which is pretty amazing. So look for sales between 40 and 70% off, and you'll see these throughout the year. Right now, these ones are on sale. Let me just find it. Okay, so right now, there's a 24-piece ratcheting set, and they are on for $89. Regular price is $3.99, it says. So pretty significant savings. That's what I love Canadian Tire, because they've got these great sales, and they also have really great tools. So like I said, these things have a lifetime guarantee, so if you do break them, you can take them back into Canadian Tire and they'll just give you a new one. So I've had this set now for a couple of years. It's been really great. Haven't had any issues. When you need one of these, they are absolutely invaluable. They are well worth the money. So you'll be working on your car one day and you put in your wrench and you move it, 1/4 of an inch, and then you have to take your wrench out and turn it over and put it back in and move it 1/4 of an inch, and then you have to take your wrench out, and it just drives you nuts. Now, when you have the gear wrenches, you put it on, get it on the bolt or the nut, and you just ratchet it slowly out, and it's just so much faster and so much easier. It's well worth every penny you spent. Just the one time you use it, you'll be thinking to yourself, oh my God, why did I not buy these sooner? So, like I said, I bought these probably on 60% off. I can't remember the exact price, but well worth it. If you miss the sale right now, don't worry about it. They go on sale all the time. So just keep your eyes open. Find the set that you like, the set that you want. Keep your eye on it. Watch the sales on the internet, your emails, and you'll find that they'll go on sale again. Just hold on to your Canadian Tire money. Save your points. Go buy gas at the gas bar and save your points. And then when it comes on sale, you get it and you can use your points. You might even get it for free. I've got a lot of tools for free that way. I actually have a video about it. How to get free tools in Canada. Look it up. So yeah, basically that's it. They are a great set. Get as large of a set that you can afford, and you'll have these forever. I've had this wrench set here, the small set. It's a 18-piece set. I've had this for almost 40 years, and I still use them. I've got a longer set that I like, very similar to this, the Maximum, but I've got this old Canadian Tire set that I bought when I was like an early teenager, young teenager. And like I said, I've had them for almost 40 years. So well worth the money to spend on hand tools like this, because they don't go bad. and you'll use them for the rest of your life. All right. Anyway, that's my review of the product, and thanks for watching. Cheers.